Whoa, oh my god, I'm gonna crash. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we've got a relatively simple one for you lot today, and essentially what we're going to be doing is literally just going to be replacing the valve caps. So I'm pretty sure that's what they're called. Yeah, we're going to be replacing them for something a bit more suitable for a car of this spec, the lowest spec. Yeah, so yeah, not much effort required. Let's get into the unboxing or unzipping or whatever you want to call it. For those who are wondering, yes, the car is gonna get cleaned today. Well, hopefully, because as you can see, it is bloody disgusting. It's absolutely horrible. Like, honestly, the car probably hasn't been washed in like a couple of months. Like, I didn't even see it like maybe 6 months. But yeah, anyways, let's get to the unboxing. So the background set, and we've also got our brand new valve caps, which as you can see we've got from Shein or Shane, whatever it's called. Well, you're wonderful. Yeah, we're not going to be wearing these. So yeah, these are the new valve caps, and they're pretty nice. They're like a metallic material. They're red, which obviously means like 10 horsepower, and made in China, which is a good thing. But yeah, pretty simple. I mean, the packaging is very nice. But yeah, let's actually unzip it, unbox it, well, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, they feel pretty good. I mean, they only cost me £2.30. I mean, they're pretty light, but whatever. It's almost mainly for the looks and for the 5 horsepower. But yeah, let's get the old ones off and get the new ones on. Say your name in every single prayer. That's real love, it takes dedication. When I see you, say mashallah, look at that creation. Alrighty, so step 1, you want to actually twist this anti-clockwise, and hopefully it should come off just like that, pretty easy. And step 2, you want to put it in a safe place, because ideally, in case someone steals your old ones, you can always just replace them. Step 3, get your new ones out, unbox it. Oh, for God's sakes. And once you've actually unboxed the brand new valve caps, we can now actually put them on, which we're going to do right now. So you just pop it in and twist it clockwise, which I'm sure you guys know, I'm sure you guys already know how to do. Alright, so that's one wheel done, 3 more left to go. I'll catch you guys once it's done. So finally we have done all 4 wheels, and as you can see with a keen eye, you can actually see the brand new red valve caps on each of the wheels. And I mean, they're it's pretty much a very subtle mod. I mean, you can notice them, but obviously the car's really dirty, so you can't really notice them. But yeah, I mean, for £2.30 you can't go wrong. It's pretty nice, and yeah, it just makes that car a little bit more interesting, you know, makes it a little bit more cooler. Anyways, yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments, and I shall catch you lot next time. Peace. Danse avec moi, je prie pour toi. T'es la seule femme dans ma vie.